Kaena Point State Park is a hidden gem accessible from both the North Shore and the west side of Oahu. Our journey began at the picturesque Keawaula Beach area, where we hiked along the mesmerizing west side. At the end of the West Coast Highway lies Yokohama Bay, also known as Keawaula, a pristine white sand beach that serves as the starting point for the Kaena Point Trail. As we set foot on this trail, we were immediately captivated by the enchanting surroundings. The trail leads us through a dry, isolated, and rugged coastline, showcasing the raw beauty of nature that is truly unique to this part of the island. The sun pounds down on you during this hike, so bring plenty of water. Kaena Point is not just an ordinary park, though. It's a remote haven of rugged beauty, housing the renowned Kaena Point Natural Area Reserve. This fenced-in reserve plays a vital role in preserving the native flora and fauna of Oahu, providing a sanctuary for fascinating creatures such as the Hawaiian monk seal and numerous seabirds like the Laysan albatross. Exploring this park offers an unparalleled opportunity to immerse yourself in the untamed allure of Oahu's coastline. Keep an eye on the ocean as well, as we saw several whales breaching. Kaina Point Trail is a remarkable but family-friendly, short, flat, easy 2.5-mile hike where untouched landscapes and incredible wildlife await you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.